Hello, my dear students. I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject Mathematics, class 7 standard. In this class, we are going to learn data handling, chance and probability. These words, chance and probability, these words often come up in our daily life. We often say that there is no chances of raining today, and also say like that it is quite probable that India will win World Cup. Let us try to understand these terms bit more. Consider the statement. Here some statements are there. See, the sun coming up from the west, an ant growing to 3-meter height. If you take a cube of a larger volume, its side will also be larger. If you take a circle with a larger area, then its radius will also be larger. India winning the next test series. See, by observing these sentences, what we will get? Look, if we look the statements, whatever I have told, we say that sun coming up from the west, it's impossible, and ant growing to 3 centimeter is also not possible. On the other hand, the circle is a larger than an area of a certain that will have a larger radius. You can say the same about the larger volume of the cube and the larger side. On the other hand, India can win the next test series or lose it. Both are possible. So chances, what are chances? If a coin, can you always correctly predict? If you toss a coin, what happens? Is it? So, can you always correctly predict what you will get? Try to tossing a coin and predict the outcome each time. Is it same head or tails? See, if we toss the coin, it will every time can we predict the correct? Yes. So how many times it has come? 2 times. After tossing, we have to record our observations like this. After doing 10 times, you may observe here. Observe the outcomes is like this. First time head, second time tail, third time tail, fourth time head, fifth time tail. So always our prediction is not the same. Observe in this table. You will find that observation shows no clear pattern. In this table below given your observations, 25 tosses by Sushila and Salma. Here H presents head and T presents tail. So that's why I told you. See, what does this data tell? Can you find the predictable pattern for head and tail here in this table? Clearly, there is no fixed pattern of occurrence and tail. When you throw a coin each time, the outcome is every throw can be either head or a tails. It is a matter of chance that one particular throw you not get else. In the above data, count the number of heads and number of tails. Observe here. Heads, first we'll count head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 heads are there. In 25 times, 9 heads. Remaining are tails. 9 if head, so tail are, I think it is 16. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 tail, 9 head are there. So after counting, find out the total number of the times you get head and total number of times you get tail. 9 and 16. You also might have played with a die. A die has 6 faces. When you throw a die, your prediction of number that will obtain. While playing Ludo, a snake ladder, you may observe that you have often wishes that in a throw you get a particular outcome. So does a die fall according to your wish? No. It is a probability. Yes, may we consider it may be like that. And you just go on, take a ladder, Ludo, you play it and you mark like this. Try this one. Here, one more our question is, what is probability? We know that when a coin is thrown, it has 2 possible outcomes, head or a tails. For a die, there are 6 possible outcomes. Yes, For coin we have 2, for dash we have 6 possible outcomes. We know that from experience that for coin head and tail is equally like to be obtained. We say that probability of getting head and tail is equal and for each. For a die, possibility of getting either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 or anything, that is for a die 6 equally like possible outcomes. We say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has 1/6 probability. We will learn about this later classes, but from what we have done, it may perhaps be observed that event have many possibilities, have probably between 0 and 1. Let's solve exercise 3.4. You will get the clear idea. Let's solve exercise 3.4. First one, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Very easy. You are older today than yesterday. Yes. Solution. It is certain to happen. Yes, it is certain to happen. Second one. A tossed coin will land heads up. It can happen but not. It may happen. It can happen but not always. Not certainly it will happen. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. 8 is wrong because a die have only 6 faces. It is impossible because there are only 6 faces on a die is marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on it. 8 is impossible. The next traffic light seen will be green. It can happen but not certain. Sometimes it is yellow also, sometimes it is red also. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It can happen but not certain. Certainly it can happen. It may be sunny also. Like that you have to answer these questions and complete your classwork. By this your lesson has completed. Practice neatly, read it. Thank you.